Galaxy J that you know and love has become the new Galaxy A. Built for the era of live, Galaxy A puts cutting-edge mobile technology within reach. Our more powerful battery isn't just longer lasting, it's all day lasting to keep you connected. With our fast charging technology, nothing will hold you back. Galaxy A cameras are built for live, making the everyday epic. Our multi-lens cameras with ultra-wide lens lets you see more. So now you can share more. Infinity Display with Super AMOLED technology creates impossibly vivid images that truly stand out in all conditions. With just a tap, our revolutionary on-screen fingerprint scanner seamlessly unlocks your phone. Featuring pioneering innovations, Galaxy A lets you pack more life into your life. Meet next generation Galaxy A, built for the era of live.